Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate Samsung Pay for in-store purchases on your Samsung phone, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable contactless payments. Step 1. Ensure your Samsung phone supports Samsung Pay. Most recent Samsung Galaxy models have this feature built in. Step 2. Open the Samsung Pay app on your phone. If it's not installed, download it from the Galaxy Store or Google Play Store. Step 3. Log into your Samsung account or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 4. Once logged in, tap the option to add card or add payment method. Step 5. Choose whether to add a credit card, debit card, or loyalty card. Step 6. Use your phone's camera to scan your card or manually enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. Step 7. Review the terms and conditions, then agree by tapping Accept or Continue. Step 8. Verify your card by entering a verification code sent via SMS or email from your card issuer. Step 9. Once verified, your card will appear in Samsung Pay and is ready for contactless payments. Step 10. To make a payment, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open Samsung Pay. Select your card and authenticate using your fingerprint, PIN, or iris scan. Step 11. Hold your phone near the payment terminal to complete the transaction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.